How to cancel Canva Pro Subscription. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is simply open your preferred web browser, then in search address bar type down canva.com and navigate to the official site of the Canva. Once inside the Canva, make sure that you are logged into your Canva account. And again, once logged in, tap on the initial of yours at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is tap on the settings option available there. Inside settings at the left hand side, you can see billing option available. Tap on it. Inside billing, simply next where it says change plans, click on three dots and select cancel trial. Alternatively, if you don't want to cancel, you can change your subscription from yearly to monthly or the other way around. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.